want to welcome in my guest for this hour who's watching along with us, civil rights and trial attorney Adanté Pointer. Adanté, thanks so much for being with us. I want to know if you agree with this, that even though this was a horrifying case in the manner in which this murder happened, it's rather encouraging to see justice moving forward for this mother, for the family of this little girl and this babysitter so many years later. This evidence was preserved, and for good reason.
Right. You know, cold cases give an opportunity for victims of violent crime and victims of crime in general to receive the justice that they otherwise would have been denied because there was no, suspect, there was no conviction, or the physical evidence wasn't able to be analyzed given the technology that we now have available to us. And in this situation, you've lost your daughter in one of the most horrific ways possible, and then also the babysitter. And I can imagine the grief that this mother felt going around for all these years, knowing that the person who did this to her daughter is out walking free. And now you get the chance to actually confront this person face to face, see them. And it doesn't, obviously he's not convicted yet and is innocent until proven guilty, but you have this DNA evidence that's linking this person to your daughter and to the babysitter who was slain. So I can only imagine this mother is finally feeling like she's getting her day in court, and we shall see how obviously the trial plays out. But I'm sure that this is a day that she's been dreaming and hoping for what now, over 3 decades. That's a long time to hold the torch of justice.
Absolutely. One piece of evidence, but it speaks volumes. It's one of the strongest pieces of evidence that you can have in a case outside of eyewitness testimony. But let's go back into court. That sidebar has broken up.